Hello, this is Mrs. Walton. I am on the Davis School District Home Page. I am going to the button on the right side labeled Quick Links. The menu that I see, I will go down to find Safari Montage eMedia. This is the next screen I will see. I will log in to eMedia and find myself at the Utah Education Network media site. I can search by subject, I can search by topic, I can search by education level, and there are advanced search options. I didn't get very many results there, so I'm going to filter a little differently. And I'm going to see the resources which have shown up. I'm going to choose one of them. I will see information about publisher and summary, and I will also see if the video has been reviewed or approved by the Utah Education Network or the Utah State Board of Education. I'm going to view this resource. Some resources I will get a video, some I will get an article. This one has opened a website. The resources come from many sources. This helps me with my research. It helps me find information on things I'm interested in. And it helps me with my learning. There are even options for younger kids. This happens to be a series teaching kids about science and math. This one is a video. I have to come up here to the eMedia to exit out of the video. So this clip has been about accessing the eMedia library from the Utah Education Network, starting at the Davis School District homepage, choosing Quick Links, going down to Safari Montage eMedia, and then choosing the option of Log In, where I can find a search engine for the things I want to learn about, or the things I am researching. This is Mrs. Walton, signing out.